I'm standing right now under the boot, JN boot, so beautifully nice. I swear. And good representative of this entire organization. Same way. We'll be telling all customers why JN. So why JN?
Well, for one, JN is over 140 years old, so we are well stable. JN is owned by Jamaica, so we help to sustain our economy. It's one of the international institutions that are owned by Jamaica. When you come to Jamaica National, we promise to help you find a way for your mortgage, for your vehicle, for your education, whatever it is that you need. We can help you find a way at Jamaica National.
Represent well for JN,
Alright.
so keep it live.
So
yeah.
we will see you at JN, alright?
True. Yeah. Oh, you don't have my JN card. I think I have a JN card. I have it. Alright, so that's why I say JN. My JN card. Left it there. Nice. Stay tuned. Fully up right now. We're going to get some more places. Selfie TV.